Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel Arts Engineering. And for today's tutorial, I will be showing to you how to copy the load combination from the old files, ETABS files or ETABS model, or from the other ETABS model to the new model. So just using the interactive database editing, so as you can see, punta lang kayo doon. Then select niyo yung load combination. And as you can see here, kakopy natin yung load combination nandito sa left side. And as you can see, ito yung existing na load combination sa right side. Highlight ko lang din delete. And from the left side, pwede ko siya i-direct copy. Select ko muna lahat yan up to the column of SF. Kasi yung GUID na yan na mga serial, huwag niyong i-copy kasi medyo nag-error siya. Most of the time, nag-error siya. Kapag i-copy natin. As you can see, paste lang natin dito sa right side and apply to model. So if there is no error, walang magpa-pop up na interface. And delete na lang ninyo yan kasi na-copy natin yan. So as you can see here, nandun na yung sa kabila yung load combination na na-copy natin sa left side. So ito yung pinakamadaling mag-transfer ng load combination from the other model to the existing model. Kaya yun lang guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to follow my page and YouTube channel, RH Engineering. Thank you and God bless!